Hey guys, for losing money, the channel literally. What I want to do is like and subscribe, and then they'll buy me enough stuff. Then I can do those videos where you go around breaking people's iPhones and giving them new ones. See? I'll get an iPhone. But I already have one. So one from my dad's. He passed away. So I'm not allowed to use him to give away. So please, let him subscribe. I'm going to get back some money to pay. And if not, Mr. Puppy. Like creative, goofy, upset their parents on them videos. We haven't done a Nerf gun video yet. I promise you, the next one will be a Nerf video. Supplements will be filming. Okay, this is a video planned for the next video. Okay, so I'm on Nerf guns when you can't see. So yeah, so on Nerf guns, so just to make sure I'm getting it. Then there's a Nerf gun over here, Nerf gun rival. I even have a Nerf gun rocket launcher. That's my Black Panther mask that dropped out. Wait, let me show you some cool features. Look. Yeah, those are some of the cool features. And then I even got a rocket launcher, RPG. No. So here's some of my other Nerf guns. This thing connects to the RPG. My Lego phone. Oh, and if you want to see how to make this, I'll link in the description. And then I even got a case full of ammo. Okay, this is what an RPG bullet looks like. And then I even got a gun which shoots these size bullets. Then like mega bullets, that's what they're called. Then I even have weird. That's a small bullet that fit in here. So this is my zombie rock. And there's still 4 places to hold, and you can shoot from this spot. Then I got this Doomland. I did something to it a long time ago. Actually, this one doesn't work. It's brand new. This gun, let's connect. There, from here. Sticky dart. This is like something. I'll put this sticky dart here. That's not that sticky. Let's try now. Not that sticky. Oh, here's this type of small bullet. Look at the zombie strike. Country I'm stuck in country 19. Then I even put wax on my Captain America guy. Cheese colored one. You know. Okay. And then in this case, once more, this pencil, this rival mask. Wait, that's young. Okay, that's pretty much all I have. In the next video, I might review the Mega, but for now, bye guys. And please like and follow, and if you want me to do another Mega video, put a link in the description. Bye. Bye.